Guys, how you doing? We're going out RC bashing. We got the UDR, we got the Traxxas Rustler. We're going up to the BMX track, and oh boy, this thing's gonna get it.
If I were you, I would have gone too. If my life was such a mess, I wouldn't be you. But I woke up to yet another morning out of the blue. You went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace of mind.
I need a new servo, it's gone weak. Go, go, go! We're at the BMX track again, check it out. And we got a hut. You know what happens to the hut, didn't you? Uh-oh! Oh, Stephen broke it. We missed it on camera. What happened, Stephen?
I broke it.
Oh no! But he's got spares. Look at all this lot in the bash sack. Just getting some cool different angle shots from the old GoPro here. Well, it's getting a bit beaten up. Look, we landed on it a few times. The poor thing's taking a beating. But you gotta get the shot, didn't you? We've had it underneath, we've had it under there, we've had it under there. Alright, so we're starting off on 3S. We're gonna try and clear this hut. Actually doesn't jump too bad. It isn't too bad. Nah, 3S ain't enough for self-right. Oh, backflip's easy. Good. Oh, nice plant. Oh, sorry dude. Oh, look at that go. It does it so easy. Double. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh! Oh no, look. AS Steve's got some 1/8 truggy tyres and adapters from 17mm to 12mm. So, what's that going to go like? Yeah.
Almost touched the floor. They did touch the floor.
I can do burnout. I don't want to destroy your tyres.
Upside down burnout.
Upside down burnout. Oh, I've blown it out.
I just kind of stuck it. The edge came unglued.
Oh. Oh. Did it not quite make it?
It lives.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's all up and everything.
Oh. Should we try again? Oh, what? I just weirded like instantly.
That doesn't look quite so well this time.
Oh. Is it poorly or? That looks like a good profile picture.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it needs. I found it.
Oh.
It's not dead yet. First it's going home. Oh, it's trying to make puppies.
No, stop it! You make babies!
Yes! This thing's funny on these tyres. Oh no!
It sees everything apart from the wheel nut.
I've got nuts. Oh, so no damage.
That is it just came off.
Alright, BMX track, start line, flat out, all the way down there. Whee! What are we doing?
Oh, I think. Creep down there,
Yeah.
round that berm, and then launch.
Oh, alright. Actually, I reckon Steve should do it, not just film.
Oh, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, flat out. I don't care if you break it.
Oh.
Just flat out. Flat out, Stephen. I don't call you Steve Flat for nothing.
Oh, almost rolled it. Oh, I did roll it.
What are you doing?
I went too fast.
Oh, and he lands it. I reckon run up from that one, flat out across here, hit it there, and then it will go in there. Oh, what a landing.
I switched off.
Oh, he's killed it.
How did you originally?
He broke it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, what did he do?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's just unplugged.
Oh, shall we put it away while it's still alive?
That's a novel idea. Have we done that before?
I don't think so.
We could, couldn't we? Should we drive it back and see if I could?
Yeah, go on then.
Okie dokie.
What the hell was that?
Something fell out of my bum. It's really hot.
Oh,
What's that smell?
it sounded wet.
Oh, it's in my socks.
God, you know that's bad. We can smell that outdoors. Jesus. Oh, cyclist coming. So, damage-wise, it's actually held up perfectly. Nothing's gone wrong at all. This thing does take a hell of a beating. So I hope you liked that video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye.